Good morning, students. Today we shall understand sign convention for the spherical mirrors. In this picture, a convex mirror is shown with its axis. You can see here an object AB is placed on the axis of mirror and image is formed behind the convex mirror. The distance of object as well as image are always measured from the pole. So pole is a reference point. Object distance is u, image distance is v. In case of convex mirror, focal length f is taken positive. In case of concave mirror, focal length is always taken negative. You can see that the object is at the left side while the image is at right side. If you locate pole at the origin, then object is along negative x-axis. That is why object distance is always taken negative. If image is along positive x-axis, then image distance v is taken positive. But if image is formed towards the object side, then in that case image distance is also negative. The formula relating object distance, image distance and focal length is known as mirror formula. I write the mirror formula, which is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is known as mirror formula. Right? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. One important relation between the radius of curvature r and the focal length f is r is equal to f. Now, magnification of a mirror. What is magnification? Magnification indicates to what extent the size of image is large or small compared to that of object. Magnification can be given as indicated by m, which is equals h prime, that is height of image to height of object. This is a simple ratio. H dash or h prime, height of image, h, height of object. It is also given in terms of image distance as well as object distance, given by minus v upon u. Right? I remind you that the image distance v may be positive or negative, but object distance is always negative. If value of magnification is greater than 1, then image is enlarged. If magnification value is less than 1, then image is diminished. If magnification is positive, then the image is erect. If magnification is negative, then image is inverted. Keep these things in mind. Now I explain you few examples based on this formula. On page number 170, two solved examples are given. Example 1. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. See, here radius of curvature R is given 3 meter. You know friends that focal length is half the radius of curvature, so focal length is 1.5 meter. Object distance U is 5 meter and it is always taken negative. We have to find image distance V and height of the image H dash. First, F is equal to R by 2, that is 3 by 2, that is 1.5 meter, right? Now we apply mirror formula as 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal 1 upon F. Our aim is to find V, so we make 1 upon V subject, so the formula becomes 1 upon V equal 1 upon F minus 1 upon U, which is equal to 1 upon 1.5 minus 1 upon minus 5. Now here minus minus will become plus. So 1 upon V equal 1 upon 1.5 plus 1 upon 5. On simplifying this, we get V equal 1.15 meter. See, the answer is plus. That means image is opposite side to the object. The image is 1.5 meter at the back of the mirror. Now magnification is equal to H prime upon H, which is also equal to minus V by U. So is equal to minus, now we have value of V as 1.15 and U is minus 5. So minus minus again become plus and the ratio gives the answer 0.23. The magnification is 0.23, right? So the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by a factor 0.23. Now we discuss another example which is about concave mirror. An object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain sharp image? So this sentence indicates that we have to find image distance because object distance is already given 25 and height of the object is given 4 cm. Find the nature and size of the image. So in solution we see object size H is 4 cm, object distance U is minus 25 cm, focal length is minus 15 cm. Why minus sign is there? Because this is a case of concave mirror. Image distance V we have to find and image size or height H dash we have to find. Again applying mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U equal 1 upon F. We have to find 1 upon V, so make it subject. So the formula will turn to 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U equal 1 upon minus 15 minus 1 upon minus 25. So again minus minus will become plus and we have 1 upon V equal minus 5 plus 3 upon 75 equal to minus 2 upon 75. So this is for 1 upon V. So the reciprocal will give us V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Here V is minus, that is image distance is negative, indicate that the image is formed at the side, that is left side of the mirror. The screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror. The image is real because erect images are virtual, cannot be taken on screen, while inverted images are real, can be taken on the screen. Also, magnification is m is equal to h prime by h is equal to minus v by u. We compare both the formula, so h prime will be equal to h, here will multiply with v, and it is like this: h prime is equal to minus v upon h by u is equal to minus, now we have value of v as minus 37.5 centimeter, h is already given 4, and u is also known minus 25. This solution will give us h prime is equal to minus 6 centimeter. That is, the height of image is 6 centimeter, which is inverted one. The image is inverted and enlarged because height of the object is 4 centimeter, height of image is 6 centimeter, so size of image is greater than that of object.